A horse that matters to you matters to Kentucky Performance Products. Lush, cool season spring grass is packed full of vitamins, minerals, and energy, but it's also high in sugar. Sugar-sensitive horses grazing on lush pasture can develop colic and laminitis. By paying attention to daily temperatures, you can limit your horse's access to grass that is high in sugar. In the spring and fall of the year, limit grazing or stop it completely when daytime temperatures are warm and nighttime temperatures are below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. In the summer, when days are sunny and nights are warm, allow grazing in the early morning hours, but restrict it in the afternoon and evening. Because grass is your horse's best source of natural vitamin E, horses that are restricted from grazing are at risk for developing vitamin E deficiencies. A lack of natural vitamin E can result in sore muscles, a poor immune system, and even neurological problems. Kentucky Performance Products Elevate Maintenance Powder is an affordable way to provide your horse with the natural vitamin E missing from his diet. To learn more about Elevate, visit the Kentucky Performance Products website at kppusa.com.